Hey everybody, welcome to Your Beautiful Table, a YouTube channel and a website at yourbeautifultable.com, all about helping you make your tabletops beautiful. Y'all, it has been a minute since I have done a video, and I'm here to bring you a candle review of Bath & Body Works Pineapple Mango, so stay tuned. Thanks everybody for joining us today. Like I said, it's been a minute since I've made a video, so it might be a little rusty, and by it I mean I might be a little bit rusty. Life gets away from you. I mean, we're in, like, the pandemic continues, it's been a crazy summer, blah, 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 life. But I have been burning candles, so when I get a minute, I'd like to share with you all the reviews. And so this summer, I know it is officially fall, but I'm cleaning out some summer stuff. I have been enjoying pineapple mango. So summertime, a great time for fresh citrus scents in your home. Smells fresh and clean. And I love a pineapple. I love a mango. It's like a tropical getaway here in your house. And so if you're tired of pumpkin chai, pumpkin, spice latte, if you're tired of all that already, stash away some citrus. Take a tropical holiday this fall and winter just to get away. Pineapple mango might be the candle for you. So this is a Bath & Body Works 3-wick candle, 25 to 45 hours of burn time. You all know the deets. You can find them at Bath & Body Works, but it is one to pick up if you are a pineapple fan, or citrus even. So let me bring it up to you so you can see what's going on. So there is, it looks like the Japanese flag, I think, a little bit, but it's like a sunburst that's coming out here of copper tones on a clear plastic sticker. Pineapple mango in that same copper font. Looks really great. The sticker actually creates almost a seamless connection there. It didn't peel or warp or pull away from the glass. Nice clear glass. I'll spin it around. You can see here the wax color is an orange. So speaking of fall and orange, but this is a nice bright orange color. But you can see where the wax pool here has discolored just slightly from the combustion and has a little bit of a schmutzy sort of smoky color, but it creates, when it's melting, a deep, full, rich orange wax pool, and it's clear dark orange. So it's been a fun wax pool to have. And then at the top, they're just it's like a little bit of Harry Potter here, but it's like, this triangle with interlaced circles creating this fun design. I like this design. It doesn't leave fingerprints on the top of the candle lid, which I like. Some of the chrome tops leave those fingerprints, which are just annoying, but this embossed design somehow doesn't leave those fingerprints. And then of course it is a silicone gasket. Let's take a look at the wicks. So the wick's looking pretty good right now. You can see that it's burned relatively cleanly, pulling away from the sides of the jar. It's leaving a little bit of candle residue, but not a whole lot. Not a lot of soot or smoke here on the sides of the candle. And when I've been burning it, I haven't seen a lot of soot or smoke either. And I've been burning it on the mantle at our fireplace in a 2-story great room. It has been room filling. It's been fresh. It sort of permeates throughout the house. And so if you're looking for a fresh pineapple scent, this is one to consider, and it's fresh and sweet. So pineapple does that sweet and tart. You'll hear my dog running through the room here too. So pineapple does that sweet and tart, which I really like. So let's talk a little bit about the fragrance notes. So fresh pineapple juice, mango, vine ripened raspberry with essential oil. So I don't get the raspberry at all. What I get is a berry scent, and it's a little bit like, if y'all remember, the strawberry shortcake dolls. So not a real natural scent, but it has just sort of a sweet, soft, pleasant aroma on, like, that balances out the tartness of the pineapple. So, excuse me, pineapple pulls through. I really don't get like a strong mango. It just turns into sweet. So it's pineapple and sweet, fresh and clean. So just to recap, love the color, love the scent combination, like the fragrance intensity and throw. It fills up a 2-story great room really well without being overwhelming. I think in a smaller room it might be intense, but if you like an intense candle fragrance, this might be the one for you. The wicks have burned okay. So at first I got a little bit of that sort of puny wick thing that happens sometimes, where the ends of the wick got a little bit white, but then they turned and had really great wick performance. No soot or smoke, being thrown off of this candle, no popping. Overall, a really great fragrance experience and a really great candle experience. So if you're looking for a fresh scented pineapple candle, either this winter tropical getaway or for next summer or spring, check out Pineapple Mango from Bath & Body Works. You won't be disappointed. See you later, everybody.